In this video, we'll show you how to embed 608 and 708 closed captioning using Avid Media Composer. Here, I already have a project open in Media Composer for a short trailer I want to caption. Let's jump over to Closed Caption Creator, where I have the same project open with captions that have been generated using AI.
I'm going to try to remember back to when all this happened.
In order to export these captions for Avid Media Composer, we'll want to click the export icon in the top toolbar. Next, select Subtitle File from the list of options. Change the file extension to RAW and ensure the AAF Embed Self-Contained option is selected. Next, map your caption track to the correct caption service you wish to use. In most cases, you'll want your primary language on Program A and Channel 1. Finally, click the Export button when ready. Let's jump back to Media Composer and import our AAF caption file. Next, create a new data track for our captions. Finally, click and drag the AAF file onto the timeline. You should see a pop-up with a progress bar indicating 436M captions are being converted. Now, when I play back my timeline, we'll see captions appear over the program monitor.
I'm going to try to remember back to when all this happened.
This is Kevin Lima, the director of the Goofy movie.
I was a first-time director. I first-time head of story, first-time lead editor. I thought we had the opportunity to make a John Hughes movie in animation.
Let's finish by outputting our sequence. If we open the exported file in MediaInfo, we'll see that it contains both a 608 and 708 text stream. We can also verify that there are captions using a third-party application like Adobe Premiere Pro. I'll switch over to Premiere Pro and create a new sequence by dropping the MXF file from Avid onto my timeline. Here you can see that two identical caption tracks are created, one for 608 captions and another for 708. We can even play them back in Premiere as a way to verify the output from Avid.
I'm going to try to remember back to when all this happened.
AAF export is available in the Pro version of Closed Caption Creator. If you have any questions or would like more information, please feel free to get in touch with our team by visiting www.closedcaptioncreator.com.